Hi mayam, Kepax Beauty da amuhana welcome tawzari. Ngasi video se aina favorite oina September month da leihiba anoba cosmetic mayam dudagi ai favorite to share tawzabane. So I thought every month aina leiba cosmetic anoba singi marakta I'll share a favorite. Ngasi video sida share tawzariba product se Etude House ki Jung Moist Relief all-in-one gel dune. Taibada yam nungaye aduga seasonabadasu yam nungaye, especially ayuk nungdindadi. This is very nice because masi greasiness oiba aduga akoigi to a certain level oikoigi sebum natraga oil production do it keeps in check. Aduga sigi product se mase magi consistency se gel oitaragasu akoina akoigi skin da apply to kanda ising taibagi type to tawe yam cool oiba yam soothing oiba yam mild oiba feeling ama pa skin da. Sigi product se manam yaude, which is a bonus for me. Aduga si se taiba kanda akoi skin sida yamna ing lauba yam nungaiba feeling do aduduma pi hek apply to kanda. Aduga mana magi tube sida pure and mild moisturizing hana ibase. This is 100% true. Sigi product se yam moisturizing oye. Aduga honestly aigi wakal dadi even dry skin or oily skin nasu adum chana gani na khalle. Ay samak oily skin ne aduga sigi Jung gi moist relief all-in-one gel se seasonaba kanda breakouts thokpa khoigi greasiness leiba aduga uneasy oiba feeling. Sometimes oily skin se it's very difficult to find a good moisturizer. Adudu the DC sida kem to thokte. Aduga I think CE products say almost a dry skin or even sensitive skin dasu chanagani. CE products say yam mild oye aduga it will provide you with the right level of moisturization. CE products say mo in any part of the face and body that tayo yai na hai. So I tried it on my elbow. Ay elbow say yam dry oye. Aduga I left it overnight. Aduga ayukta it gave the right amount of moisturization. Aduga ngasagi dry o bagi flakiness o bito adudu di kem talaram de. Sigi product say it's almost like an aloe vera gel. Haidi akoina aloe vera gel do adugi consistency aduda tawgada mathaw do sisina su tawe, but aigi opinion dadi any aloe vera gel dagi this is a much better solution. Sigi product say ayuk nundinda moisturizer oina seasonaba dem nungaye because it's very mild. Aduga ayuk nundinda di we apply a sunscreen. So sunscreen gi makhada thaba kanda this is a very comfortable moisturizer. Aigi honest opinion dadi sige Jung gi moist relief all-in-one gel se yam lightweight oiba yam mild oiba aduga moisturization level wangwa soothing oiba moisturizer ama pam taragadi sige product se this is a very good choice. Sige moist relief all-in-one gel se aigi se loi kharkanda I will definitely repurchase it. Ngasigi di yam tenba video ne. I hope you all liked it. Thank you. Bye.